Hey you guys, it's finally came. Oh my gosh. I got my Ipsy and I got my BoxyCharm Premium on the same day. So you know, today is Sunday, and it's FedEx. I'm probably gonna do the BoxyCharm Premium on Wednesday because I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every single Sunday at 11 a.m. So good morning. Well, today actually is Saturday, so I'm putting this video up on Sunday. So yes, okay. Anyways, if you don't know what Ipsy is, Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month. You get 5 sample size products. Sometimes you get a full size, like maybe 1 or 2, like a brush, an eyeliner. You know, last month I got a highlighter that was full size. So sometimes you get full size products. It's supposed to be $50 or more in value. Okay. Also, it's like $12 a month. If I didn't say that, around 13 or 14 with tax, but it's usually a bang for my buck. It's actually better than Ipsy Plus, which is $25 for 5 products, 5 full-size products. And Ipsy Ultimate is stopping this year. It's stopping this year. This is the last month that the Ipsy Ultimate is even available. It's gone, and now they have like a Glam Bag X where it's like quarterly, like BoxyCharm Luxe Box, but it's better because celebrities, like makeup celebrities, makeup artists, they pick what's in your box. I saw some good stuff, okay, but some of the stuff I already have, like that palette I already have. Also, you have add-ons, and I did add-ons. It ranges from like $3 to $25. This right here was $12. This is the Complex Culture Translucent Setting Powder. I've been really interested in to try Complex Culture stuff. As you know from last month's unboxing or unbagging, I did a lip cream from them. I kind of like it, kind of don't. And you guys know I love translucent powder. So we're going to see where that comes, where that goes, you know, if it's good or not. Also, I got an Anastasia baby lipstick. Liquid lipstick in Poet. This actually cost me like $3. It was like a sample. It's a sample. Yeah. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just... Ooh. Yes. Okay. It's like a dusty rose. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I was kind of like iffy about it. I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? I have so many lipsticks. Do I need a liquid lipstick? But again, this is mass season, so I kind of do need liquid lipsticks. So no transfer, or just like lip oil or lip gloss just to seep in with no color. So I've been doing that. Haven't been wearing makeup lately. Like today is my first day in the week. Wow, wearing makeup. I haven't worn makeup since Monday, and today's Saturday. Wow, okay. So every single month you get to choose the product. It's usually on the 21st, 24th, 25th, around that area. This month is on the 21st. So remember, 21st, pick your product. I picked It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara because I can't find my big mascara. I had it, and now I can't find it, and I like it. And I was like, yo, where is it? So I got a travel size because, you know, I've been going to my boo thing's house. I've been going to my cousin's house. I've been going to everywhere else. And, you know, when I go to makeup, when I go to customers' houses overnight, I spend basically time overnight, and I need like mascara in the morning. Just like put some mascara on, put some, like I did today, put some dab shimmer eyeliner, call it a day, and that's it. Like put my little Koki highlighter and blend it in with my moisturizer, and I'm set. That's literally all I've been doing for makeup. So me actually putting foundation on and powder and a little bit of shimmery blush and lipstick, that's something. That's something. But yeah, I needed another travel size mascara, so I got this. Now something else outside of the bag is the Moisturizing Avocado mask, and it's a sheet mask by Glam Up. And then this is a nourishing acai berry dewy skin mask. So this is dewy skin and this is wrinkle care. I like that. You guys know, if you guys don't know, if you're new, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like if you like it. Anyways, I do a mask try on Monday, every single Monday, and I've been running out of masks to do stuff. Like, I've been really running out of masks. So now I know what I'm doing for masks. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm excited. Two products I'm excited for. Okay, is there another thing? Nope. This is the bag. All right, so the bag, ooh, I know what everybody was talking about. They didn't like the texture of this. It does feel like cotton balls. It doesn't feel like the nice, expensive, like Sherpa material, which I thought it was gonna feel like. It feels cheap. Don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. I kind of liked it because it had the wristlet, but now I don't know. Okay, comes with the card. And I don't know why, but I know why they don't do it in the $25 bag. The prices and stuff is because you have to pick your stuff, so it's really hard to do everything. But the sheet masks are $3 per mask, so $6 right here. The full size for this is $25 with 9 milliliters. And this has, how much does this have? I don't know how much this has. All I know is that it's made in Italy. Anyways, next product. I'm glad they gave me body lotion because I like, wow, I just dropped it. Because I like body lotion. But it says lavender. Do you not see that? I do not like lavender. Does it have a seal on it? If it has a seal, can I just smell it through the seal? I'm not even gonna try. I'm not even gonna try. It's lavender. I do not like lavender. So because of this, I do not like the bag so far. I like two products, yay. But this, no. And this is a deluxe sample. The original is $17 for 70 milliliters, and this has 30 milliliters. So 470 milliliters, $17, 30 milliliters. So this right here is $1.09. $1.09, $6. Okay, and then the other one I don't know how much is yet because I don't know how much it is. Okay. Yes! Okay. It's back on. I got the Benefit My Brow Pencil in 4.5 Natural Deep Brown. Neutral Deep Brown. I don't know if this could do my brows right now. This is a deluxe sample. 0.08 grams is $24. That's the full size. And this is 0.026 grams. So this right here is $7.08. $7.08. Okay, $7.08 plus 6 plus 109, $14.89 so far. Don't see the $50 yet. I mean, unless that sample was something. Okay, yes, it does do my hair. So the brow gel that I did with Boxy that I can't find anywhere. I literally can't find some places. Like, I can't find some stuff. Like, it's like, I don't know where I put it. Like, after moving from here back to my parents' house, then moving back in here, it's like, where is my stuff? But this is what it looks like. It's crazy because I got the brow gel last month and I got this month. So I'm excited. Like, okay, 3 out of 4 so far. Wow. Why did I say 4 like that? I don't know. The next thing I got is a lip balm, of course, full size. Again, you get full size stuff. You get one or sometimes none full size product. This retails for $7 plus 7 equals. See, it's unless that mascara was like $25, I don't get the $50. I didn't get the $50 worth of value. Wow, that's fucked up. That's fucked up. Wow. Well, basically it's $21.89 rounded up to $22. And that little mascara did not cost that much. Cause half of 25 is just $5. Like literally 25 is it's just no. That could not be that could not be $12.50. No, it cannot be $12.50. No. Okay, let's just say if it was $12.50 plus $21.89, still is not 50. Still not 50. It's like 34. Like I was gonna do 35. I was gonna round it up to 35, but it's below 50. Like it's 34.39. So it's basically 34.40 rounded up. Oh my gosh, I got jacked. Unless you're counting the bag, I got jacked. But I got a lip balm, which I'm excited about because I actually wanted to try a lip balm, and I've been needing lip balms. Even though I have like 4 lip balms stacked up, haven't even touched them, but I can't find them. Like I literally have it in a whole bag with some of my lip products, and I can't find it. I can't find stuff. Like I can't find stuff. So at least I'm gonna be trying this, but I can't try it now because I just put on lipstick. I just put on lipstick. Why did I do that to myself? This again retails for $7. Say goodbye to Endless Lip Balm reapplications. This is made up with moisture release technology, meaning your lips will not only feel smooth and hydrated right when you apply, but they will stay that way for hours. Okay, and this smells like peppermint. It says peppermint. It says peppermint passion fruit. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. It doesn't smell like peppermint passion fruit. It smells like fruit punch. Fruit punch with a little twist. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so for Ipsy Glam bag, $12 a month, I got this bag, which is feeling cheap. And I also got this lip balm, which is amazing. This mask, ow, I just hit my face. Ow, I just hit my face. That's what my replay would be. Anyways, I got the masks, which I love. I got this right here, brow. Now I was about to say Brow Wiz. What is this? It's Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, which I love. And I also got this mascara, which I love, which I don't believe is that much. Like, I think they gypped me. I think that lotion was supposed to be something else. That's how I feel. I feel the lotion should have been something else, and I should have never got this lotion. But 4 out of the 5 products I like, so this bag gets 4 out of 5 in my book. I do not like this, and I can't even give it to my mom because my mom doesn't like lavender either, and my godmother's allergic to lavender. So who am I gonna give this to? Who am I gonna give this to? I'm gonna sell it on my Mercari. By the way, I have a Mercari link down below. Go check it out. Mercari, baby. This is gonna be in a bundle. It's gonna be in a bundle. So check it out. It's down below. Okay, deuces. The bag is cheap.